Hands over the victim, first rescuer on this side. I'm naka-conspire board sa nila. Okay? Hands over the victim, then ordinary lag rule. So cross lang. Hindi cross. Yung cross kayo na. Okay?
Ayaw mo dipikit po.
Sige. Okay, sige. Okay. Okay, ready to... Okay. Ready to lagro ng victim as one unit. Ang lagro ng victim is continue. Okay, ready to lagro ng victim as one unit. 1, 2, 3, move. Then, balik. Ana ya, wala may iwakan victim. Ato ninipag-drop, ato pag-alis up down lang. Okay? At hinipigtin, isang sagad na lang. Okay. Move na victim up, 1, 2, 3. Move. Okay. Ato nito, up, down. Okay. Tapos para kung ano na yan, good nga. So, then prepare. Tapos, spider strap. So, since wala ka na spider strap, laro pa ba?